Inara means a bank, a shore where we rest and where we begin our journeys. And for me, Dubai represents that for me. It's the city between East and the West. So it's a great platform for chefs and artists to reach out to a much bigger audience. And JA has always been very close to my heart. You know, when I had the first meetings with them, a total eco-friendly resort is being created, and it really set perfectly well with my company values about hospitality, service, making people feel that this hotel and the restaurant is an extension of their living homes. And I think that is why I was like, this is what I have to do, and this is one of the most important ventures for me. It's always a pleasure that when your art becomes a form of a cultural representation, and I'm proud to be doing that and proud to be sharing with so many people around the world. I was born and raised in Amritsar in North India, and I did my graduation from Manipal. That's a hotel management school, one of the top cooking schools in India. While I was working there, I got my first opportunity to travel around the country and also understand the complexity and simplicity of India's regional cuisines and its richness. Many people find it hard to believe, that there was a time when the only way we could learn cooking was actually going to the cities. So it could be Kolkata or Bangalore or Odisha or Kashmir. You actually had to travel there to understand. And I was fortunate enough, because of my college degree and the training programs, I could do that. And after that, I was running banquets in my own hometown. And in 2000, I moved to US, right before 9/11, and fought my own battles and did everything I could in my ability to push Indian food to the country and through them to the world. And I'm proud to be continually doing that and still so inspired, passionate, excited to create new dishes and learn more. Television happened to me by mistake, I feel, because I was never a TV person. I was extremely shy and I would not express myself. I was always been like that from childhood. But in 2007, I got an opportunity to work with Gordon Ramsay to be on national television in America. And this was my first time when I had to literally speak about what I do. And that really helped me. And that made me understand that, the power of this medium is very large. And I want to utilize that power to reach out to more people. And since then, doing Hell's Kitchen in the US and MasterChef India, MasterChef Australia, Twist of Taste, Mega Kitchens, I've been doing programs, but still very selective, because I have so many more passions where I invest my time and energy and money, that television is very important to me. But I still feel that, documentary making and filmmaking is actually what is very close to my heart, because I realized at very early stages of my career in America that the way we can reach out to people to tell the story of our country and people, this medium is superb, it's excellent. It's people listen to you when you are presenting things in visual arts. So that is why my passion of this kept growing on and on. I started my career in the US. It was almost like second career for me, second part of my life, a metamorphosis in ways. Because in India, I was just doing my banquets, creating money, having more than 200 to 300 employees, and a great structure for catering business. But when I went to US, it was an absolutely new beginning for me. And I figured out at a very early age that if I have to be part of the American dream, I have to be constantly taking risks. And some risks paid off in form of awards and accolades, while many others just crushed me and made me stronger. So my biggest award in this entire career and journey, I would think, would be James Beard nomination for my book Return to the Rivers. That book was very close to my heart. This is the time after 2008 meltdown, when totally American economy was totally challenged. And that time, I had a catering company, I had a cooking school, and I had a restaurant in Midtown Manhattan. Everything was shut down. And I had no hope for anything. And this is the time I left America And I went to Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, and all those countries, and I started traveling, and that is when I made my travel log, and it got almost every important recognition in the US, and that James Beard nomination for my journey was very important for me.